close
just
enough.
like the song says.
They win.
Go for it.
Single shot 410.
How y'all doing? Each year at camp we try to come up with a new redneck game. Last couple years it's been drunk golf. And Mary Engel, you know how to play that game real well. This year we have shotgun bowling. This one's for you, Terry Barker. Come on back. So, the idea is just like bowling. You get 2 bowling balls to knock the pins over. Here you get 2 shells to knock the pins over. So, hold my beer and watch this. No guarantees. That's my first ball, or shot. And back to me. Hi there.
Terrible camera person.
Now, see if I can get a spare.
I'm gonna scream.
Real hard. There we go. 8 on the first frame. Back to you, Barker.